オッケー。すごい。アビーロードだ。
はい、スーメタルです。ユーメタルです。ボアメタルです。We are BabyMetalですか？
やっときやっとき。
白米。
これ何ですかこれ。
白米。
これ何これ。
ハラシュ。
急に来たからさ。白米。
白スティッチの方がまだマシですよ。
今スティッチの話してたよね。これで白米のもの。
誰か助けて。
こっちや。
あと途中ね、ハラシュって出てきたのはエリチ。
エリチね。
エリチか。でからのもう大丈夫だよ、もうスピリチュア。
BabyMetal, you're watching Rock Sound. We're doing the new things with our album, so please look forward to how BabyMetal is evolving. I really wanted to perform there, so I'm very happy that my dream came true. A lot of people, their hands in air, and look like they're really enjoying our performance. So I felt very happy. Papaya's performance is so fun to do, and F-Hero also raps for song, and it's our first time having a rap section. I hope fans like this song more. Only the Fox God knows. BabyMetal is a combination of kawaii, cute, and metal. But this song shows mature side of BabyMetal, and I really like the choreography. In the chorus part of Starlight, I really like the part where I sing a really high tone. I like the part because of the choreography is well linked the song. Distortion is so cool song, and the first section of the song boosts me up. I also like interlude part where there is call and response with the crowd. It's so much fun. Our debut single is Doki Doki Morning, and during the song there's a part of we're like down. The audience had no clue what was going on. Then I think we gave them the shocking impression. Metallica. Yeah, we love them, and we learned how amazing metal is from them. Yeah, we really respect them.
Hey, right there, we'll just get a quick.